guys, I have some frozen chicken breasts. I'm gonna wash it, season it up, and then stir fry it tomorrow, maybe with some rice and peas or something. So yes guys, it's another video and another cooking video. So I'm gonna do chicken breasts. So I'm gonna just add some paprika all purpose and show you what I'm doing and just leave it marinating for tomorrow. Okay guys, so I'm gonna season up this grilled chicken pre-cooked breast. I'm gonna season it up and leave it for tomorrow. I'm gonna go in with some Irish Jamaican seasoning here. It's not gonna put a lot because it sometimes can be a little bit salty. Spice and herbal by Ari again. It says no salt in there. Not too much. I'm gonna use a little bit of paprika. Tonight, so I'm just going to leave it for it to sit and marinate. You can put your season of your choice. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder, brown garlic powder on it too. You can add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper in here. So I think that's enough for now with this. Yes guys, so I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate and then I'll come back and cook it and show you. I'm not even sure what style I'm gonna do with it yet, so I'll just marinate it with whatever season you like, to your liking, right? Decide if I'm gonna make rice and peas or if I'm gonna make noodle. Okay, so here you have it guys. All seasoned. I'm not gonna put any brown in. I'm gonna use some sauce on it tomorrow. I'm gonna just try to use this honey. Can't even pronounce. SRIRACHA. Honey SRIRACHA sauce on it tomorrow. Yes guys, so we're here today. We're gonna do the chicken breast. I'm gonna pour some virgin olive oil to let it and turn it up to high heat, and I'm doing stir fry chicken, boneless chicken breast today, as I said to you before. So I'm gonna wait for it to be hot and then get started. This is a chicken breast that I had seasoning from last night, right? I had put a little bit of my teriyaki sauce, a little bit of this here on it. You could use soy sauce or whatever, a little bit of this, and I'm gonna fry it because it's doesn't need a lot of cooking, and I may just do half. It's a big family, so I'm gonna pour it in. Let's see. Do it the way you want to do it. This is my way. You're not gonna fry too dry, right? And use a non-stick. Okay, so guys, I'm just turning here. Use whatever oil of your choice. Again, this is chicken breast. And cook it to your liking. I'm going to leave it here for 10-15 minutes to brown. kind of make sure that everything, I like things well done, not too dry. Okay, I'm stirring it here, guys, and just making sure that everywhere gets sauteed. And you can just pick up a piece and taste it to say if it's tasty to your taste. You could add more seasoning. I just add a little tip of water and let it stay for 10-15 minutes because it can be a little bit gummy, chewy. So I like, the kids are very funny and I like things to be just right. So just let it sit and steam down for 10-15 minutes or to your liking. And then I'm going to put the seasoning on it. I'm gonna saute some bell peppers, onions, all different kind of color bell peppers. We could also have done it with everything in it, but I'm gonna do it this way and portion out the breast because not everybody wants it that way. And Tyreek actually tried the chicken by itself already, so I'm gonna just saute this here. It's beautiful with all the colors. Ty is watching me in the kitchen. It's beautiful, right? You can have the amount of oil that you want in it, but I think this is just right, or can add a little bit more. You can add garlic, you can add anything you want in it. You can go in with some Jamaican scallion. You can add some more spices to it. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Even a little bit of chicken seasoning. This is just my way of doing things. Everyone has their own way. You can use whatever spices and herbs. Some persons can't take spices. So whatever you guys wish to put in there, you can go ahead and do that. Some garlic powder. And I'm just going to do a small portion with the chicken breast. That everybody can have a different option. So this is the chicken breast, guys. Okay guys, so there you have it. I saute with the virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put some of the chicken breast into this pot here, separate from the bigger one, making it different from the one that I have. Because the chicken breast is already done, I'm gonna make one with teriyaki sauce, and this one here with this sauce here. So I like it the way it was before. So I think the seasoning, the portion size is good. I turn the heat down a little bit. It looks good, Ty, right? Hope you guys are liking this. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're not already, and tell someone about the Life of Cleo. Okay, so With that, I'm gonna add a little bit of this sauce and leave the other one as is. I hope they like this sauce. This is my first time using it. That's nice. So I'm gonna taste test it when I'm done. I'm gonna let it simmer for like 4 minutes or less. It's already cooked. Everything is cooked. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna dish it out and let the guys taste it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is some pre-cooked noodles, right? So I'm preparing this for the family today for dinner. So pre-cooked chicken noodle, I'm just gonna leave them in the water boiling for maybe 5 to 8 minutes because they're already pre-cooked. But for me, I don't want them too soft and I don't want them too hard, so I'm just gonna add them to the boiling water, and I'm just gonna use the fork and separate them. You could add a little while there too, that they don't get stick in the bottom. All right, that's just my way. And just separate it. And you can put a little bit of salt. It's not everything you have to put salt on because I'm going to use some of it and do the stir fry. Not everybody wants the meat to be on it, so this is what I'm going to show you with what I'm going to do. Alright, so I'm going to leave that for a little bit to cook. So that's it, guys. Okay, guys, so I had in the noodles in there with the chicken breast, and there you have it, my stir fry. I'm gonna put it in the plate and let you guys see it better. So there you have it, guys, the finished product. For me, I love the taste of it. It looks good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell someone about the Life of Cleo. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.